Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about proxy servers, the intermediaries that separate end users from the websites they visit. Let's break down what proxies do and why they are so important in modern networking. So, first we answer the what question. So, what is exactly a proxy server? So, let's just look at this example to understand it better. A proxy server is essentially a gateway that sits between you and the internet. Whenever you request a web page or other resources, the request travels first to the proxy, which then forwards it to the destination. The, the response returns the same way, in the same way, especially through the proxy before reaching your device. This step can offer privacy, security, and performance benefits. Okay, let's try to understand common types of proxy servers and talk about them, how they work, and understand what are the pros and cons of proxy servers. So we have two types. We have forward proxies and we have reverse proxies. So let us first start with um, the forward proxy. No, here. So the forward proxy is a proxy server that sits in front of a client like your computer. When you visit a website, the forward proxy forwards your request to the internet on your behalf. It has some use cases. It's for privacy because it masks your API address or location. It's also great in content filtering, like block certain websites or enforce usage policies in an organization. It's great also in caching because it's store frequently accessed data to speed up sequent requests. The workflow is pretty obvious. We have first, let's just we have the user, and this user will create a request to the forward proxy, and after that it will go to the target website, and the target website will send back to the forward proxy, and the forward proxy will send it back to the user. It's a pretty simple workflow. Forward proxies are commonly used by corporations to filter out bond traffic or by individual users for privacy. The next thing we will talk about will be the reverse proxy. No. Okay. A reverse proxy is the opposite. Is the opposite exactly. It sits in front of a web server, forwarding requests from clients to the server. Its use case it's used by like for load balancing, like distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers. It is used also in security, like shields the server's identity and filter malicious requests. It also used in caching and compression. It improves performance by caching static assets or compressing data. Also, it is used in SSL termination, like offload SSL, TLS encryption overhead from the original server. The workflow is pretty easy also to understand. So we have the client. Oh, no, this is too thick. We have the client. Okay. It sends the request to the reverse proxy, and the reverse proxy will send the request to the web server, and the web server will send back to the reverse proxy, and it will be sent back to the client. So reverse proxies are crucial for scalability, performance, and security in modern application. But what are the main differences? What are the key differences between both of them? Because they might look quite similar to each other. So first, let's start with the client versus server facing. First, we have the client and server facing. Forward proxies primarily serve clients who want to access the internet. Reverse proxies primarily serve servers, protecting and optimizing them from inbound requests. In terms of the use cases, the next thing we will talk about, it will be the use cases. Okay, so forward proxies are often about privacy, filtering, or monitoring user traffic. Reverse proxies are about load balancing, security, and performance. Also, we want to talk about the network replacement. Let's just put NP for short for network replacement. A forward proxy typically sits closer to the client, like a local machine or network. A reverse proxy sits closer to the server or data center. So, okay, so let's just wrap everything up now. Let's wrap it up. Yeah, that's it. The lowdown on proxy servers, where forward or reverse proxies basically they act as gateways that bring privacy, security, and performance benefits to both clients and servers. If you found this video overview helpful, please like it, subscribe, and leave any question in the comment section below. Until next time, stay secure out there.